Hello, my name is Frank, and in this video I want to show you how to make a pyramid with SketchUp app. First, pick the rectangle tool and draw a square. If you see this dotted diameter line, just press Shift and then you can make this square bigger and smaller. Just draw this square, and to make the four sides of the pyramid, we just make a cross on top of the pyramid. And I also reverse the faces because it should be an outside face. Now we can extrude the pyramid by just moving this endpoint of these four sides and try to follow the blue X. If you press Shift, then this following is also locked, like you saw it with making a square. And you can just set the height of the pyramid, maybe to, I don't know, this height. And to finally finish the work, just close the rectangle or the pyramid from the bottom side, and that's it. That's your pyramid, and have a nice day. Goodbye.